Hey Embroidery Legacy family! Are you ready for another exciting Christmas in the Hoop project? What better way to decorate your tree and show your embroidery skills to all your friends and family than with this beautiful stained glass ornament? We'll create this stunning candy cane ornament using everyone's favorite embroidery puff stuff. So grab your eggnog and supplies and let's get stitching. The materials you'll need include a 5x7 hoop, masking tape, some Patch Perfect stabilizer, magic sparkle sheets, embroidery puff stuff, a bowl of water, or you could run it under the sink for an easy removal as well, a pair of double curved scissors, fabric scissors, a glue gun, and some decorative ribbon. Now that you've gathered all your supplies, you can hoop the Patch Perfect stabilizer. Once you have hooped your stabilizer, you're going to cut a piece of your magic sparkle sheet to fit the whole embroidery area and secure it down with masking tape. Now you're going to bring your hoop to your machine and begin to stitch out the design. Make sure that you stop your machine before the final color starts to stitch. Once you have stitched out the first two colors, you can remove your hoop from your machine and remove the excess magic sparkle sheet material from around the design. Be sure to get all of the sparkle sheet from inside the corners. Using masking tape, you can now cut a piece of your embroidery puff stuff to cover the embroidery area and secure it to the hoop. Return your hoop to your machine and stitch the final color. Remove the hoop from the machine once the final color has finished stitching. Now you're going to want to cut all the excess embroidery puff stuff around the design and ensure that you do not cut into the satin stitch border. You can also save the little pieces of the puff stuff for future embroidery projects, so just put them to the side. You can now tear the designs from the stabilizer. Use a bowl of warm water or run your design under the sink and watch as the puff stuff starts to disappear. Once you have dissolved all of the puff stuff, set your design aside and let them dry. Once your designs have dried, you are ready to join the two sides together. Use your hot glue gun to join both sides. You're going to carefully spread the hot glue around the outside border of one of the designs, and place the other design on the glue design and line up the edges. Next, you're going to press down firmly to secure the two designs together. Now you're ready to cut out a ribbon to hang your design. Use scissors to poke out the remaining stabilizer from the eyelet and thread the ribbon through. Tie off the ribbon. And there you have it. You just finished another wonderful Christmas in the Hoop project. You can show your stained glass candy cane ornament on your tree or on your window for everybody to see. We hope you enjoy making this stained glass project as much as we did, and if you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow along on our socials. Thanks for watching!